The SMI Riva Bilayer Nova and Director Pro instrumentation control software is designed for mono and bilayer tableting in development and pilot scale manufacturing. This 10-ton rotary tablet press can produce up to 63,000 tablets per hour, and its interchangeable turret design allows 21 stations of B and 17 stations of D punches. The new Director Pro software will provide simple touchscreen control and data acquisition, including normalized compactability profiles, scalability data, and its innovative weight control and rejection system. When product is limited, the Bilayer Nova can be configured to operate with just a few hundred grams of material. Its integrated small footprint allows easy mobility and operation in small, confined working areas. All of the SMI tablet presses are GMP standard quality. The Bilayer Nova advantages include intuitive touchscreen HMI with intuitive operation and recipe settings storage, hard chromium or stainless steel turret to resist corrosion when used with a chemically active API, rapid turret changeover, variable speed paddle feeder systems for uniform die filling, mass flow hoppers allowing optimum flow with shutoff valves, dual vacuum and mechanical designs to ensure cross-contamination prevention, quick disconnect parts allowing for quick setup and cleaning times, monolayer upper cam designs and a single layer feeder design to recycle excess powder. This will provide a true monolayer setup. Director Pro control and data acquisition system, automatic tablet weight control and rejection system. The SMI PLC controlled touchscreen and Director Pro instrumentation system simplifies the tableting operation. All compression rollers and weight cam use high-speed, high-power precision servos with better than 1/100th of a millimeter resolution, allowing for efficient setup and repeatability. To ensure maximum product yield, the control software will identify an optimized press setup. The SMI Director Pro now conveniently provides all of the press parameters on one screen. All of the adjustable features can easily be controlled by simply pressing on the screen, including feeder 1 and 2 speeds with clockwise and counterclockwise direction, weight cam 1 and 2 with high and low speed adjustments, or by entering the desired displacement value, the set point field. Upper and lower roller positions for pre-compression, first layer and second layer compression, including a lock roll position to adjust punch penetration while maintaining a constant thickness. A real-time setup check is available as a quick reference for product yield and tablet quality consistency. The Director Pro in development mode provides automatic compaction profiles, normalized for compaction pressure and tablet geometry, strain rate studies normalized for turret pitch circle diameter, and weight loss from reduced feeder dwell time, detailed scope analysis. The scalability tool to match loading rates, dwell time, tangential velocity, feeder dwell time, ejection rates from one tablet press to another, and many more development features. The new innovative Director Pro production model is designed for pilot scale operations, allowing automatic tablet weight control for dual layers and tablet rejection system. This will ensure only the collection of quality tablets. The Director Pro production module will record a tremendous amount of data and organize batch records. Bilayer Nova and Director Pro is validatable and follows the guidelines of 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. SMI has been providing industry solutions for over 30 years. Contact us through our website at www.smitmc.com for a full demonstration.